The Zeta C4 Pro camping tent is designed for quick and easy setup, taking under 60 seconds to assemble, which is perfect for beginners and families looking to enjoy more time outdoors. This tent is both windproof and waterproof, ensuring a dry and stable environment thanks to its robust construction and high-quality materials, even in challenging weather conditions. With mesh windows and ceiling vents, the tent offers excellent ventilation and visibility, allowing campers to enjoy a cooler interior and a view of the night sky. The spacious interior of the tent comfortably accommodates up to 4 people and can fit a queen-sized air mattress, making it ideal for family camping trips. Constructed with durable materials like carbon structural steel and high-quality mesh, the tent promises longevity and stability while remaining lightweight for easy transportation. Additional features such as a power cord entrance and internal mesh pockets enhance the tent's functionality, making it a convenient choice for modern campers.